Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the participant to the Klook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the account button down below, and after that you should click on the frequently used info section and then tap on participant info. After that, click on add the participant. Then you should add their first name, their last name, then select their country or region, then their title, their gender, date of birth. After that, you should add their ID type and then fill in this form, adding its ID number, expiry date, issue date, place of issue, and then you can add contact info including country or region code. Then the phone number can be set, as well as the email address, and then click on the save button down below to save all these details, and it will be added to this participant section. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.